Again, stretching should be progressive and it should slowly, not painful, and it should start early. Early is the key. A lot of people, a lot of even practitioners will underestimate the fingers. Make sure you go to a fellowship-trained hand surgeon. So that's an orthopedic surgeon who went to further specialized training to become a hand surgery specialist, a hand physician. I'm a hand therapist. Okay, that's our specialty. It's very important because it's such a complex area. So again, never force. It should be gentle and steady. And if you work too hard at your range of motion, then regarding aggressiveness, stiffness will, even if an injury doesn't occur, stiffness will increase. And we do not want increased stiffness. We want nice, fluid, supple motion for function, because we have to be able to get around small objects and grab things. And we also have to extend.